I'm Drew.
I'm Micah. This is Desert Custom Homes, and in this episode we finish up the Cabana framing. We install our sliding glass door system, get the window frame in, get that all prepped and ready.
We also added a couple fire pits to the outside patio to frame it back in, and rough plumbing's done, and rough electrical is about 3 days.
All right. Drew, quit harassing the trades.
Not harassing them.
No one likes your humor
When you know,
here.
you know. That's true. Yeah, you can tell by the laugh that it was.
Flip it around, put the top side down.
Yeah, there you go.
How's that
That's what
end
we
look?
want. Yep.
All right, we're here today with Drew's father, Ken,
You want to put
the
some
founder
pressure off
of
Hudson Construction.
Hudson Construction.
So if we crank
He's
Yeah, you
just
get
here
to
to
see
check on Drew's work like a good father.
There you go.
down over
You did this wrong. But Dad, I'm the boss now.
me.
So you can see framers innovating since they don't have access to a pettibone, which is a large tractor with a lift on the front essentially. So they have to use this small lift.
You
That's
sound
the
like
only thing they can get in the back.
Sound like an equipment salesman.
Yeah.
Well, you got to be able to put one of these. We're wet than this guy.
Oh, he hit the, oh, he hit the post. That's awesome.
There we go.
So here's a cross section of the beams that we're putting up. This is a glue lamb. They take 2x, I think these are 2x6s, and then they squeeze and glue them together. You can see the top one, the grain's going this way, and they flip it. These aren't as important, and then the middle ones aren't. And then the opposite end is flipped also with the grains. And that's how it works. I've been told not to cut top or bottom. You can drill out the middle, but that's all per the engineer's approval.
Yeah, each different type of engineer, be it an LVL, a pear lamb, a glue lamb, they all have different ratings and different details with what you can do once it's in the field. So if we have to drill through these for electrical or plumbing, they'll tell you it's middle third and then 8 inches with a maximum hole size of 2 inches, depending on the type of beam. So they're all different, so make sure that your framer actually goes and looks at that before you drill anything, or that you do it whenever you're installing it yourself. That's why they call him One Lobe Micah, because he had a beam drop on one side of his head, and the left lobe of the brain's now dead. You can still say his name.
That's insulting, and I'm filing a complaint to HR.
Okay, well,
Is it HR?
HR's denied your claim. It's that simple.
Shoot.
Yeah. We get to see some new framing. Plumbing's in the walls. They're working on gas right now. New sink location. Powder bath. Water's coming down. Our valves are coming in today, so we'll be able to put in for the shower. Electricians are here getting everything ready on the back patio. They're going to come in. We got to put power. They're going to run it across the beam. Switchers are going to go out here. Since these are exposed, there's not really a good way to hide the switches, so we're going to just put them out of the way. They're also getting their cans in since this is a TNG ceiling. They're going to run all their electrical now. Shallow boxes per code.
You've got a pancake box for a ceiling fan. We're going to do another ceiling fan over here, so 2 instead of what the plan shows 1. At that point, then we can go ahead and roof, we can foam, and then start TNG. We don't want to do TNG before the roofing's on because we don't want to take the risk of it getting wet. If it does rain out here, which doesn't happen that often, we definitely don't want that problem. You can see where they've done the upper roof section. Fascia detail is going to go cover that piece up, metal fascia all the way around. The beams were exposed so they get cleaned up, sanded down, and painted or stained.
These are our fire pits. This is a cool tool.
Okay.
So in order to get the same look as the existing here, that's what they do, is they'll set it up, let the mortar cure just a little bit, because if you do it too early, apparently it stains the block. We don't want to do that. So after it sets up a little bit, you run that tool through it, it clears out the joint, so you can't really see the seams in it. So it's really nice. Alright, so this is our 4-panel sliding door system by PRL. It's all in the, what's the finish?
Finish is clear anodized.
Yeah, clear anodized finish. Alright, give it just a nice little slide through. Look at that. It's still going.
You gotta remember, this is done on an existing slab that is out of level, so they've shimmed it all up. It's not binding. Nice.
Binding.
Nice grip. Now,
See, I can't post this because then my wife's gonna want something that slides this well.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this. Look at this.
And of course, it hits the other door. The weather stripping does. And then if we didn't have the cord in the way, we could close it all up.
Yeah, and here's our window system. So this is just a fixed glass window that comes in here, thermally broken.
Really broken aluminum.
And they did this real nice where the window frame and then the edge of the door jamb are all nice and lined up. It'll be a nice look. I can't believe that. I just can't believe that. That's ridiculous.
It's almost like a perpetual motion machine.
Yeah, look at that.
Now I just got to train the client to be careful whenever they're closing the doors.
Right.
We're going to come out here to the outside. Instead of having stucco here, we're going to bring in the same kind of metal all the way over and square in this corner and bring it up. So that way it looks like a full assembly.
Thanks for watching. If you like that, please hit the like button. Also, if you could please subscribe, it does help us out a lot. If you do have Instagram, you can follow us at Desert Custom Homes. You can also check our website out at desertcustomhomes.com. You can check out our past projects and latest projects.